guys, I hope you're all doing absolutely amazing. I know you will be used to this. Hi, I hope you're all doing absolutely amazing. If you're coming from my Instagram family, it's the first time that I'm vlogging, and in case you're seeing this, please be a little kind to me. I'm still getting used to getting my best angles, what is my voice modulation, what is the kind of background I want. Today is 2nd of October. Tomorrow is Shraddha's birthday that I am going to take you guys through with.
चिकन टिक्का तंदूरी, चिकन टिक्का तंदूरी.
There is so much stuff always in my hand, always. And there's more stuff that my mom's just giving me away. Really like my outfit today, I'm gonna show you in a bit. Also, just realized I managed to do this. Bye! Tata! I am finally ready and in the car. मैंने lipstick नहीं लगाई है because I'm gonna put my mask and उससे वो lipstick हट जाएगी. And I plan to wear a crisp bright red. 1:20. It's 3rd of October. Happy birthday, Shraddha! And I'm really sorry. I'm just reaching you, Baba. I'm not staying over, but I'm still carrying my larger bag for all the camera equipment, पानी की bottle. क्या किसी और की मम्मी भी उनको बहुत ज़बरदस्ती पानी और खाना देती है. क्लचर, फोन, एंड देन आई हैव माई फेवरेट टी शर्ट. Roses India. I've been obsessing over it. It's so comfortable and nice. Like the fabric's also really nice, and it says alcohol you later. Damn, how I've missed this place. A lot of you may know, but a lot of you may also not know that I completed my MBA from Amity. It was a 2 years program and I'm very grateful for everything that I've learned here. It used to be so much fun. It's unlike DU. My bachelor's is from DU, so Amity is a lot different from what life is in Delhi University, and having experienced both, I can hands down say that both were pretty important and both played their own respective roles. All of this used to not be like this. It used to be a kacha pakka building where street vendors would sit down and we would sometimes come in our breaks and enjoy ourselves there. But yeah, I think 2020 has changed a lot, including this place. Not a lot of people know this, but the flat that I'm going to, like the house that I'm going to, is the same house where I was during my MBA, and it's just very overwhelming. And everybody, if you are one of my Amity friends who's watching this, if you're Rohit, Mayank, Aniket, Chacha, Somil, Mama, anybody who's watching this, Moha, Akshay, that I just want to say I really miss you guys in this moment. मिनट में अपनी शक्ल दिखाती हूँ बस पार्क करके. गाइस एक बात बताओ, क्या ये आपके साथ भी होता है कि जब आप मास्क लगाते हो तो आपकी आंखों में चला जाता है और 5 मिनट बाद आपको कुछ नहीं दिखता? कमेंट डाउन बिलो इफ दिस इज यू एज वेल. क्या लगता है श्रद्धा मुझे डांटेगी और इट विल गो अननोटिस्ड? थोड़ा ही तो लेट हूँ, ऑल्सो थोड़ा ही तो लेट हूँ, मतलब 2.5 घंटा. पर नहीं डांटेगी ना, जिसका बर्थडे आज शी बिहेव नाइसली, आई होप. You can never hope with Shraddha, by the way. Sorry, portrait का आदत है.
Hi! Happy birthday!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I like this camera quite a lot. सक्सेस से चलते हैं ये लोग, तो उन लोगों ने गाने देने शुरू कर दी बिकॉज इट वाज लाइव. बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर श्रद्धा. Shraddha,
Hi!
happy birthday. I know you're going to be watching this way later than your birthday, but I want to start off with saying that I'm really, really happy, grateful, lucky to have you in my life, and I appreciate every single little, big, small, everything that you do. I've known you since we've grown up together. You're like my sister. I have seen you develop into this beautiful but stupid person, and I absolutely adore you as you are. You are one of my strengths. I consider you such a big part of my life, and you'll always be special. Also, as you know, we go back till the time we started blogging basically. So I've seen you very closely in your professional workspace. So I really like how you've developed this empire, this little empire, which is going to be so big so soon, and I can't wait for that to happen. And I really feel that everyone should have a Shraddha in their lives to keep them grounded and to, you know, motivate them to
And show them
break
their
every
potential.
limit. Yeah, exactly. To show them their potential and break the glass ceiling basically. So we're so lucky to have you. We love you.
Love you.
Bye. Bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay, we're shooting this in Shraddha's house.
Yeah.
While Shraddha is
On
in another
Shraddha's
room.
birthday.
On Shraddha's birthday.
While she's in the other room changing.